So here with the combiner, before what we have seen, without combiner we are passing these many key values, right? So what we are doing here with the combiner, with the combiner, what we are doing, we are reducing number of key value pairs, or number of value pairs is going to reduce it. What we will be doing here in the diagram, if you see, let me make it a little bigger, if you guys able to see. Okay, here if you see here what's happening, I'm I have launched, this is the data node 1. Let's assume, guys, this is the data node 1, this is data node 2, and it may be possible in the single data node it can launch one mapper, it can launch multiple mappers, or this data node it can launch one mapper or multiple mappers. Okay, we need to understand that. So let's assume that as of now, assume only one mapper is launched. One mapper launch, these many values came, and shorten shuffle, it is going through shorten shuffle and group. And the group, if you see 1901, these are the values, 1904 these are the value, 1906 these are the value, and it's combined. Instead of sending 34 50, 35 23, it is sending only one. Instead of sending this much values, three values, it is sending one value for each key, one value for each key. There may be a chance here in the same one data node multiple mappers can launch, as I shown in the before diagram. Here multiple mappers can launch, all the mappers data can be aggregated. So we may reduce the number of data transferring through other layer, I mean other phase, right? So here we are cutting down the number of key value pairs, or number of list of values we are transferring through a network. Instead of sending those many values to a network, I'm sending only one value. Look at here, I supposed to send, if I didn't use the combiner, I supposed to send here for 1901, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 values I'm supposed to send. But instead of sending 10 values for the mapper 1, I'm sending 1, 2, 3, 4. It means I'm reduced. Only 4 values I'm sending instead of 10 values. So instead of 10 values, I'm sending only 4 values. It means I have reduced, right? So almost 60% I reduced. Right, again it's based on the number of key value pairs, so don't consider 60%, 30%, 40%. There's no percentage. So I'm showing you here I have reduced, right, number of key value pairs which is transferring. Here also same, here also same. So instead of sending these many key value pairs, I'm sending only less number of key value pairs. So if you see here, and the final reducer is receiving less key value pairs. Otherwise you could have received 10 here, 10 here, 20 key value pairs it could have received, 20 value combination it could have received, but it is receiving only less. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, only it is received 9 instead of 20 to 30 key value pair. It means I am reduced. What I have done to for reducing, what I have done to for reducing, I have implemented a combiner. I have written my combiner code in the my MapReduce, right? So if you go with the so what is happening here, if you observe in the above diagram, when you use the combiner, it is launching a local grouping, local shuffle, local sort. Okay, after first shuffle and sort, the grouping key will be associated, each data node wise it is. Okay, each data node wise it is not for one mapper one, and your combiner is for mapper wise, each map output. Your combiner is for each map output. Okay, so combiner is each map output. Your reducer is not for each map output. Your reducer is a collection of all mappers and output, but your combiner is for each map output. Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear about this point? Any doubt? Guys, why I'm asking these many times? This is a must and should interview question. They will surely ask the interview question from this. They'll surely raise a question from this. What is the combiner? How the combiner will work? Okay, so anyone, any doubts? Anil, Anisha, Akash, Ganesh?
Vivek, can you please repeat one more time?
Okay, so
Example.
you want me to okay, example. Okay, see here the example, when I launch a combiner, when I use a combiner, when the combiner is launched, it's happening a local shuffle and sort and local grouping for each mapper. It means in a one data node, if you have a 3 mappers, for all 3 mappers one combiner will be launched, and it will collect all the output from all 3 mappers. For data node wise I'm talking, guys. and it will collect all the output from the 3 mappers and club together, and it will give only one output. But if you're launching only one mapper in each data node, for one mapper also your combiner will be launched, and it will collect the output of your mapper, and it will combine. I mean, it'll apply the logic. Combine means it's not like combining. It'll apply the logic which is written in the combiner, and it will produce a less amount of output. Understood, Anil? On which point you are missing? Could you please tell? I can highlight that point.
Highlight that point.
Anil?
Yeah, no, nothing. That's good.
Okay, good. So we will see the when to use a combiner, when not to use a combiner, limitations and all.
Vida,
Hmm.
I have a doubt. This combiner and short and shuffle phase, like which happens first, and uh, I mean, which happens first?
Which, see, okay, you have a global sort and shuffle, correct? After mapper output, final mapper output. Okay,
Correct.
that will happen later your combiner. But there is a local sort and shuffle that will happen before your combiner. One will happen before combiner, one will happen after combiner.
Oh, okay, okay.
Local shuffle sort will happen before combiner. Global shuffle sort will happen after the combiner. Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow, guys. We'll continue this, what is this combiner and what is the limitations of this, and I'll show you the example tomorrow. And by the time, if anyone interested, you guys can have go through the video which I have shared in the previous sessions. Okay, I would like to show you this example very detailedly. I want you to practice in the classroom tomorrow. Please be ready for that, because everyone will ask the question from here. Okay.
Ravi,
Uh, yeah,
please
Akash.
ping me the link to see the video.
Sure, I'll ping you the link, Akash.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks for it.
Thanks, Virat. Bye.
Bye.